What's the meaning of chlorophyll? Chlorophyll. Chlorophyll.
Chlorophyll. Chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is a green pigment found in the chloroplasts of plants, algae, and some bacteria. It plays a crucial role in photosynthesis by absorbing light energy and converting it into chemical energy. Chlorophyll is responsible for the green color of plants and is essential for their survival. It allows them to produce organic matter and oxygen from carbon dioxide and water. Without chlorophyll, photosynthesis cannot occur, and most life on Earth would not exist. Hence, chlorophyll is a vital component of the biosphere.